So the feather questions can be solved. Here it is the blend. Blend means it is a type of technical question actually, but it is about the ratio and proportion only. Here the question is like that: the two ratios of pararamide and polyester blend, which is 3x or 3 by 2, and the total weight is 150 kgs. So here, as we know that we need to be take constant 3x plus 2x, which is total, which is 150, means pi x into 150, x upon 150 means 30, x will be 30. So here how much para-aramide, which is 3x, 3x and x is 30, means total is 90. Yes, have a look over that solution. Now next question is: a floor manager walks 10 meters in a north. Okay, it is a direction question, north side, and it turns towards the right, means east direction, which is 50, and walk 15 meters. After 10 he means turn, which is always in the south direction, and walks 10 meters. So how much it starts from? Means in totally 15 points away from that. Yes, 15 meters. Now, next question is about permutation combination. Here, the three types of ball, which is 5 red, 4 blue, and 3 greens, are being given, and one of the ball is taken randomly. Means 5 plus 4 plus 3, which is totally 12, and which was okay. We not to be take out the green ball, which is means total 5 plus a, which will be giving the ratio of 3 by 4. Yes, have a look. Now the next question is: the average daily production of the loom is itna and itna. For 4 days it's 120, and for fifth day it is 170. It is about the average question. Okay. So I need you can be just solve this by the conventional method, but I wanted to share with them some shortcut tricks. If this type of questions came, so here there is a shortcut trick. Actually, the new average which is given plus the old average into the number of days or whatever it given, we need to be taken that, means the new average here was 170 meters plus old average which is 120 meters, and the total number of days or the that given the number of sum is 4, which is means 120 into 4, which is gives 48 plus 170, which will be giving it out in 650, and upon fifth days means number of days was been increased by 5, means 650 by 5, which will be giving 130 meters. Yes, you can have a look. Here also it solved by that only method, because we need to be find out by the shortcut methods in an amplitude test, because there is an very less time is given to us to solve any question. So next question is that the 10,000 rupees is invested in a machineries. Okay, a simple interest ratio is itna. What will be the total amount of the this? So here we need to be understand the what is the total means formula for the total amount of for the 3 year interest. So here it is a simple question, you can have a look over that as well. So what is the sequence? Now it is a sequence in series later, so we can see that a b c leaving c d e leaving f, means g leaving h, after h, and after z x y z, uh, means so previously that w will be there, w x y z, means we are minusing for the second digit, we are minusing 1, a we are leaving b, c, c after that d leave e, means after e f will be leaving it out, and g. Yes, it is a simple question, you can check it out as well. So choose the odd one out from the following groups: from cotton, silk, wool, polyester. It is also for the textile students, it is quite simple. Polyester, because it is man-made. Now next, a logistic truck travels from a factory to the warehouse at 40 kilometers per hour and returns to the same route by the 60 kilometers hour. What is the average speed of the entire journey? Means next also here it is also of an average question only. So let's solve this question it out. For this, here it is we can use the simple formula, means 2 into 40 means the total average first one for going distance, and after that the formula is like 2a into b upon a plus b upon 40 plus 60, which will be giving 100, and 40 into 60 will be 12 24 and 24 48 by a means we are being getting it 48 hours per year. Yes, you can have a look over that. Now next question, the pointing a man to a man a woman said, means here it is a blood relation question actually. His mother, means a man mother's, is the only daughter of my mother. How is the woman is related to a man? Okay, it is a simple question actually. So we need to be break down that only daughter of my mother, means indirectly he is telling about the woman will be his mother only. Yes. So all the for the blood relation we need to be find out we need to be break down all the points, then only we can solve. Here now the statement is all the threads are yarn. Okay, some yarns are fabric. Okay, so we need to be draw a diagram for this. All the threads are yarn, okay, and some yarns are fabric, okay. Some yarns are fabric. Conclusion will be like this. Will some threads are fabric. No, the conclusion is definitely false. The conclusion is uncertain. The conclusion is definitely true, and the conclusion is contrary to the statement. After drawing the Venn diagram, we can be tell it easily actually. So next question is like that: a machinery efficiency drops by 10% and second year in its second year and increased by 10% its third year compared to the third year efficiency of its original first year efficiency. So let's take for the first year efficiency will be 100. Now second year it will be 100 and sorry it's drops actually. So it will be a 90. In third year it will be increased, means it will be increased. So third year it will be a 99. uh, so now it we need to be original of first year efficiency, means 100 minus 99, it will be higher than its original, it's lower than its original. Yes, yes, you can look over that as well. Type. Now next question is like that synonyms of durable. So for this it is actually a straightforward question. Durable means a last long time for means flexible, and its duration time is also last time, so it is the right answer actually. Now next antonyms. Okay, innovation means innovation म्हणजे innovation means we need to be innovate new things now. So it should be opposite to that. So let's so opposite to that invention it is only a single, means invention, modernization and transformation is synonyms only. So let's look out the next. Identify the patterns in a logical. So if this type of question you need to be solved it by your own. 6 12 and 20 30. Now we need to be find it out difference between them. So if we solve find out difference, so most of the questions can be solved easily. So now next question will be like 12 means 40. So if we 2 minus 6 it will be give 4, 6 minus 12 it will be give 6, 12 minus 8 means it is 4 6 8 10 12, means 30 into 12 30 plus 12 it will be giving it out 42. Yes, you can look over that. The length of the rectangular testing laboratory is twice the breadth. Okay. The perimeter of the is 60. What is the area? So first of all, we need to be find know about the perimeter of a rectangle. So it is 2L plus B. So here the length of the rectangular is twice of the width. Means L is equals to 2 times of breadth. So we are putting it out in this. So 2 breadth means 3, 6 breadth about 60 means breadth will be 10 and length will be 20. Yes, now its area is find it out. We need to be find it out. So it is a straightforward question. Area is equals to length into breadth. So it is straightforward questions are coming it out, but it is a beginning level. We need to be continually find out the various hard or the complicated questions which can be asked for the amplitude. Companies are asking the amplitude or the gate amplitude as well. If a cylindrical yarn is spun to the radius of this and height is this, what is the approximate volume? Here the pi value is given actually. So we need to be calculated out and we need to be understand what is the actually first of all we need to be find it out actually the all the parameters or the are given in the same proportion or not. So the volume formula we need to we have just to find we have need to be know that it is about pi into radius square into height. So the formulas basic formulas we need to be find out, so you can solve this question it out by yourself. Now let in a testing sensor oscillation and amplitude is this, the total distance is traveled by the sensor and head during the complete its cycle. Okay, so it is also a simple question. So no, now let look out its next question. It is about the fraction question. It is given that 7.3 0.3 and we need to be converted into a fraction. So most of us we are going it out 375 by 1000 and after that we need to be solve this it out. You can do it by this method and other method as well. So you can solve this type of questions. Now let's look out next question. This question you need to be solve it out your by own and need to be just answer this question in an comment box and whichever the answer will be right I will be tag them. Thank you for listening me since